Dive into flavor bliss, my miso maple bacon tacos with pineapple salsa. Hey there, fellow flavor enthusiasts. Today, I'm thrilled to share a culinary creation that's close to my heart, miso maple bacon tacos with pineapple salsa. Picture this, thick-cut bacon, brushed with a tantalizing blend of miso, maple syrup, and soy sauce, then baked to crispy perfection. It's a flavor explosion waiting to happen. But wait, it gets better. While that bacon sizzles in the oven, I whip up a zesty pineapple salsa bursting with freshness, juicy pineapple, fiery jalapeños, and zesty lime juice, all mingling together in perfect harmony. Now, here's where the magic really happens. I warm up those corn tortillas, layer on creamy avocado slices, pile on that irresistible miso maple bacon, and crown it all with a generous scoop of pineapple salsa. Are you feeling the excitement yet? With every bite, you'll experience an explosion of flavors, the rich umami of the bacon, the sweet tang of the salsa, and the creamy indulgence of the avocado. It's a taste sensation that'll leave you craving more. So, what are you waiting for? Join me on this flavor-filled journey and let's dive into bliss together with my miso maple bacon tacos with pineapple salsa. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds like never before.